Okay, good morning guys, this is me speaking to you from school. It's our maths room. I just want to guide you through some of this stuff. Here's the camera. I'm pretty sure all of you started doing simple bar charts like this. I know it's not very difficult, however you need to be able to do these. I can't assume you know what you're doing, so I need to guide you through it. I know you've done this. Dual bar charts is a bit more of an involved situation. So here's dual bar charts. When you do I'm just trying to sort myself out. When you do dual bar charts, you're comparing one quantity with another. So in this situation here, we've got exercise 4, page 231. Just try and get the focus right. The table shows number of times a group of children visited an ice rink in the last year. No one visited the ice rink more than 4 times. Copy and complete the dual bar chart to show this information. So let's just take a look. These are the girls' visits. So 4 girls never visited, 8 girls visited once, 5 girls visited twice. Then we've got the boy column. 8 boys didn't go at all, 6 boys went once, 2 boys went twice, 1 boy went 3 times, and none of the boys went 4 times. So this is a comparative bar chart, a dual bar chart. They've begun to show you how to construct it. So what they've done is the first comparison. So we've got 4 girls who haven't been at all, goes up to 4. 8 boys who've not been at all, goes up to 8. You want to complete the bar chart. Okay, please note they're stuck together, but the spacing between them is the same each time. So do a key, use use it unshaded for girls, shaded for boys, and just do that dual bar chart. Yeah. Just talk you through the next one. Now don't draw out the bar chart for question 2, but merely analyse what's written in here. So the dual bar chart, that one, shows the number of houses sold by 2 different estate agents, so Frida and Mike, over 4 months. So how many houses did Frida sell in April? So you track over to April, and Frida's the dark blue. So it looks like Frida has sold how many? 14, from what I can't tell, it's quite hard for me to see. So Frida 14, etc. So answer question 2, question 3, question 4. They want you to draw this one. It's clearly a bit more involved than that one. So have a little look at the extension questions, you can see. Let me guide you onto pictograms again, not very high level. Here, a key usually comes alongside a graphic, and this graphic represents a certain number. The whole point of a pictogram is you don't draw, for example, 10 apples to represent 10. You maybe have one graphic of an apple to represent 2. So here, for example, not reading the story, 2, 4, 6, that represents 6 apples. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and half of 2 is 1, that represents 11 apples. I'm not going to read the story, it's quite self-explanatory. Obviously you can read it yourselves, but exercise 5, question 1, that represents 2 t-shirts. The table shows how many t-shirts, who's this guy? Kassan bought in 3 months. He bought loads of shirts. Okay, so this guy bought 8 in January, 7 in Feb, and 4 in March. Now, when you come to draw a graphic, don't try and make it look like a t-shirt. Do a nice rectangle, and if you say this rectangle equals 2 t-shirts, then that's fine. Remember, this is mathematics, not art. Make sure all the rectangles you use are the same size, since that graphic must be represented relatively accurately. January, 8 t-shirts. We want 4 little rectangles drawn in here, that represents 8. In February we want 3.5 little rectangles, and in March 2 little rectangles. Alright, so I've spoken to you about that. Do question 2 as well. On 233, the graphic they want you to use is this little stick man here. Question 3, again, tennis, football, rugby. Have a little read of that. The key is this little hexagon represents 6 people. So I suppose if you needed to represent, say, 4 people, just draw 4 of those tiny little triangles, equilateral triangles, that make up that hexagon. I'm really trying to get it really clear here, but I can't. So it's the best I can do. At least you've got your book in front of you, I hope. Question 4, this is just analysing what's really given to you. Again, this circle represents 10 people. Question 5, this little suitcase, what is it? Bags, okay, a bag, represents 2 bags, etc. And question 6, leave that alone, no point doing that. So for today we're going to do, let's just reiterate, we're going to do the dual bar charts or comparative bar charts. There, question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. Have a little break, and then we'll do the pictograms, question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. And that will probably be it, because I don't think we've got another lesson this week, have we? Can't remember. I can't be in tomorrow because we're on lockdown. So what I'll do is have my books at home. If we've got another lesson, I'll set you a lesson. If not, then don't worry about it. And I'll see you next term sometime. I just don't know. Either way, if we're not back in time for the start of the summer term, we will be teaching you from home like this. Of course, you can use Show My Homework to get back to me if you're not sure. You already have the answer book. It's been uploaded on a previous Show My Homework slot. So you've got to find where that is. I think it was due for the 9th of July. So in other words, that's always available to you, just to download it from that site. And it's a page at a time that I've put up. I couldn't do the whole booklet in one go. I had to do it a page at a time, scan a page at a time, and then actually send it to you like that. So you've got to try and find what page the exercise is on. And the page numbers in the book clearly don't correspond to the page numbers at the bottom of the answer book. So I think it's about 37 pages in our Year 7 answer book. So go for that. And that should be fine. Alright, so see you when I see you guys. Work hard, don't be naughty, be good, help your mum with the washing up, just do what's sensible, and we'll catch you later. Just reduce this down, and this is now going to go on YouTube, and then I'll send you the link. Later guys.